Triangle inequality for complex numbers. Suppose we have two complex numbers z1 and z2. Then the triangle inequality is mod of z1 minus mod of z2 is less than or equal to mod of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. In this question we have to verify the triangle inequality if z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and z2 is equal to 1 minus iota. First we will find this side, that is left hand side, mod of z1 minus mod of z2. Now in mod of z1 minus mod of z2, first we will find the modulus of z1. z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. We'll use the modulus formula, that is square root of a square plus b square. Here a is 3 and b is 4. So a is replaced with 3 and b is replaced with 4. That becomes square root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 and square root of 25 is 5. That is modulus of z1 is equal to 5. Now we'll find modulus of z2. z2 is equal to 1 minus iota. Here we will use the same formula of modulus. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Putting these values in the formula, we'll get square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. Now the value of 1 square is 1 and the value of minus 1 square is also 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is modulus of z2 is square root of 2. Now we'll subtract mod of z1 minus mod of z2 and that becomes 5 minus under root 2. So the value of z1, modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 is equal to 5 minus under root 2. Now we'll solve the middle term, that is modulus of z1 plus z2. First we'll solve z1 plus z2, then we'll take the modulus of the answer. Now z1 is 3 plus 4 iota and z2 is 1 minus iota. On adding these, we'll write it 3 plus 4 iota plus 1 minus iota. I have rearranged this. Real part is written with real and imaginary is with imaginary. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 iota minus iota is 3 iota. This is the answer of 4 plus 3 iota. Now we'll take the modulus of 4 plus 3 iota. We'll use the formula of the modulus, that is square root of a square plus b square. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. By putting these values in the formula, 4 square plus 3 square, we'll get 16 plus 9. Now 16 plus 9 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So modulus of z1 plus z2 is equal to 5. Now we'll find the right hand side, that is modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. We already have found the modulus of z1, that is equal to 5, and modulus of z2, that is equal to square root of 2. So modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 is equal to 5 plus under root 2. Now we have found all these values. Now I'll replace these values. Modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2, that is 5 minus under root 2. Mod of z1 plus z2 is equal to 5 and mod of z1 plus mod of z2 is equal to 5 plus under root 2. Now the approximate value of square root of 2 is 1.41. This is not the exact value but the approximate value. So I have replaced under root 2 with 1.41. 5 minus 1.41 is less than or equal to 5 is less than or equal to 5 plus 1.41. 5 minus 1.41 is equal to 3.59. It is less than 5, and 5 plus 1.41 is equal to 6.41. Now 5 is less than 6.41. So we have verified the triangle inequality.